How to hide apps in iPhone when you don't want others to see or open it. Let's see how it's done. If you want to hide any app in your iPhone, you need to update to iOS 18 and above. To hide an app, first, press and hold on the app that you want to hide. And next, select Require Face ID option from the list. And again, in this screen, select Hide and Require Face ID tab. And now, in this screen, click the Hide App button, which will hide the app from the home screen. To view the hidden apps, you need to go to Apps Library folder. Now the app is hidden. Click on the Hidden App folder, and all the apps hidden will be visible. To unhide the any hidden app, you will need to press and hold the hidden app. And next, select Add to Home Screen. And again, press this button to confirm unhiding the app in this screen. And done, the app will be visible in the home screen. And done with this iPhone video process. And done, I will be getting you more videos of different topics like this, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon below the video to get new updates.